Meaning of denim.
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 Denim. Denim is a sturdy cotton twill fabric that is typically blue in color and commonly used for making jeans, jackets, and other clothing items. Denim was originally worn by miners and laborers due to its durability, but it has since become a popular fashion staple. The word denim comes from the French phrase serge de Nîmes, which refers to a type of fabric from the city of Nîmes in France. Denim has a distinctive diagonal weave pattern called a twill, which gives it its strength and durability. Today, denim is a ubiquitous fabric found in many different types of clothing and styles.